Wow. You did it yourself.
Of course. Especially for you.
I know. No.
What is that?
I love you, Yasmin. I love you.
I know.
Is that you? Come on. No. Are you see, baby?
Stop this. What
No, I love you, Yasmin. I love you. Come on, catch me. Catch me. Catch me. Let me hug you. Let me hug you.
Seaman,
Wow.
stop
No. Oh no. No.
Esther! Esther! Ah! Yasmin! Ah! What is it?
Seaman!
Ah!
What about him? Seaman abodam o Esther. Wabodam. He's crazy.
How?
She Odimechi kwani hu nyina o. Jasmine, I love you. Yasmin, I love you. Esther, Seaman abodam o. This is not funny. Hey! You haven't seen anything yet. This is not funny. Calm down, my dear.
Calm down, cry. Look, voodoo is working. This is how it works.
Esther, if this is how it works, then please, I am no more interested. You are interested.
I am not
You
interested.
must be interested.
Esther, what are you talking about?
Ah, what were you even expecting? So where is he? I don't know. I left him there.
Ah!
Look, he's now like a baby. You now have him under your control. Whatever you say, he will do it. Just toss him. Anyhow, anywhere. Maybe be a fire. Ah, but you, what were you expecting?
This is the time all that was so training, baby.
This is too much. It's too much for me.
It's too much for you. Time no, this is too much.
Please, go and find him. Because if you don't, he will. Go and find him.
Awale.
Oh. Sorry, why?
I'm here. You are thinking too much.
That's all. Me, Jesus, say. Eh? Maybe, you want to not do it, yummy. Oh, yeah. Why should I take it or me for me? Eh? On one him say me don't if my come. Oh.
It's okay. So what do you intend to do now?
Intending. Then the I just said.
Maybe I trust her. And then I'll buy a sister.
Anything my brother was saying. Oh, we are not done for. And to me, say, where's my boy? Now, me did not come to and can bear me the pan. Anything my brother was saying.
From what I've seen so far, it looks like she doesn't love you anymore.
Huh? Jaja, Okano. Oh, Pam says, but Papa catch him, Jaja Okano. So, Pam says, hey, Nadu.
Okay.
Hey, Nadu.
Stop crying. Let me think.
Hey. Nadu, get me a Nadu.
I have an idea.
Huh? Eh? And I can come with you.
Ever since the incident, you have always been apologizing with mere words. But I think you have to change the strategy.
Okay. With you.
Okay. Nadu likes food. Good food for that matter. and she prefers it from walk-in restaurants.
Okay.
So I would suggest you go to walk-in restaurants and get her some food. When you get to the house, give her the food. As she's eating, you cannot pass your apologies through.
Hey, Aso, why dear near friend, papa. Watch him so in Kwampa. Hey, Nadu, where I'm coming for you. Only me from no mammy.
Okay. I thought Trenka cry wine. Remember,
Mammy.
0545
0545
48
48
17
17
85.
You see?
85.
85.
Yes.
Okay.
Call them. But do you have money?
Oh, Ska them will be Papa Mammy Ska and a power eating Ska.
Okay. Then call them now.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, Pacho, good afternoon. Pacho, working restaurants near. Pacho, me pemu fried rice and chicken nibi. Chicken no dia slide wo mu pa no. Me am nim say we do an yede. Won say de. Okay. Me wo colleague no 3 for 10 road nso. Rough road no. Oh, okay. Me dem say. Okay. And I met him o. Pacho mu do na ma frɛ me. Okay. Yo. Bye. Charlie. Hey, I'm fine. Why are you? What me pa? Enti na do nadu.
Nya de duanu ma no pe. Obedo.
Enti na so carry am say na dan for call working na. Restaurant ni am say okay. Oh, minimum.
He will find you.
Yes, me. Yes, me.
There he comes.
I love you.
I told you so. Jesus, what have I gotten myself into? Esther, let me hide. Where are you going? Bad idea. Now you have to go and face him. Go take him somewhere. Esther, I told you. Go before manager notice anything. Go.
Yes, me. I love you.
Daddy, please, you called me.
Figuana better now when I'm in your casa.
Okay.
Adu.
Daddy.
Ma observe since yesterday. Now, maybe there you are not of yourself. What is happening?
Daddy, please, I'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Yes, please.
It's not there and you're fine, but you'll be fine.
Yes.
Abadinoyo. Catch them. Ati. Bombazina catch them. No mutu mabo wakwenbido.
Daddy, please, it's Awale. He keeps disturbing me.
Wale ai.
Yes, please.
Awale ya. Wo do nyina ko wuro nu mu mamipo wo papa me ka sempo kirewe ente no. Awale ni disturb on there. What denti?
Daddy, please, I don't love him again. I broke up with him, and he keeps coming after me, wanting to come back. But I'm no longer interested in him.
Hey, Nadu. I want some. Awale ya because of awunti. Mo ko pra colleague on the street do nyina, mo chuchu got them, me titi got them nyina, na echiri mo consumer Seaman. in their eye, then you broke their brain up. What happened?
Daddy, please, it all happened when we went to work in restaurant.
Work in restaurant.
No, Bana, you do money. No, Bana, you do money. You can be. You can do it. Yeah. Oh. And a bed. Nadu. Where's your coffee? Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm okay.
Coffee, one man after park. I'm going to go by.
Oh, no, don't worry. I'm okay.
Battery.
No.
Lobo.
Fine.
Go na go na go ubomoden wa. Ke be no na boku ku mi.
Fine.
O ka top up. Onu.
Fine.
Member.
Fine, you are.
No problem. Skale wo ye ko. Policy man. O lu gbe o mene ma ton ba ke si man bi. If I'm again, it's can't check. It's can't go to moon.
Is it one of your jokes?
Come on, my job.
Oh, so you brought me here to disgrace me?
Oh, Nadu, come on. I'm going to go with him. Come on. As my 21 class, one a meal. Come on. Nadu, come on. Oh, come on. Oh,
Excuse me.
oh, Nadu. Oh,
I'm afraid.
Oh, Nadu.
Eh?
Okay. Nadu. Man, they're by.
Daddy, please see.
Oh, get out.
While you're walking, inside there. Come with me. Oh, put it inside and let's go. Come on, I'll call my father. Daddy. Abanabo.
Daddy, please, why are you laughing?
That way. It's a laugh of Thanksgiving. Aye. Glory be to God. I thank God that you are free from the bondage of Seaman, the useless family. No. Iradi, that was it. Asida yedimo nyamye. Asida yedimo nyamye. Asida. Come on. Stand up and let's dance. Asida yedimo nyamye. Yedimo nyamye. Asida yedimo nyamye. Yedimo nyamye. Atagodo. Asida yedimo nyamye. Oh, asida yedimo nyamye.
Did you enjoy it?
Too much. You are so sweet.
Thank you.
Interesting. Oh my God. I'm going to do something for you. Think of it.
Really?
Yes, take a look. What do you want me to do? I mean, anything. Just mention anything.
You know that now I am patching with a friend. And so I need a place of my own. In fact, I need a house.
Just that? Just a house?
Yes.
No problem. You have
That is okay for now.
You have a house. Don't worry.
Really?
Yes, you have a house.
Mwah.
You have a house. Don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you have a house in that night, okay?
I hear.
That's no problem at all. So you mean a house for now?
Yes.
It means maybe there'll be any other thing, right?
Of course.
And don't worry. Why am I with you? Which area do you want the house at? Where do you want the house?
Kolegono.
You already own a house.
Oh.
You have a house in advance, right?
You are a darling.
Really?
You know what?
No?
From now on,
Yeah?
you are going to be my little puppy.
Woo! My queen!
So when I say puppy, you say my queen.
Just go ahead.
Queen.
Yes, just go ahead and I'll do that.
Puppy.
Queen!
Puppy.
My queen! Oh my God.
Hello, Nadu. My name is okay.
Awale,
Yes.
you again. Awale, what at all do you want from me? Eh?
What is going on here? Eh? How about you, Kodwa? Hey, Nadu.
Daddy.
Hey.
Nabato, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ebe eden wo fia. Wo meba na nka nche odon pe obi. Onyu nyi hwi ye wo wiase mbio. Ehwe den wa ha.
Da enyisa mi ba say mi be we
Ja na kan. Feel free and talk.
da enye boni nabato say boni kra ya kulem asam ni say uba Nadu me ni pie ko working restaurant na asem bi esi wo ho no enti osi ni bu afumi sisi ano osi odumi agya mi friend kra on fimi enti mi si me to eduane we e da be patano na ebufo bi e wo ho no onje mu na nka na ye nanti biom me se na
Ezi bankiti na edi baba peta mebe.
o da patro dozo
Nadu. Say eti asem okay.
Yes, Daddy, please.
Wo so edwen ho dey.
Daddy, please. You have to forgive me. I have to consider him.
Hey. Nadu, let me say. I'm disappointed in you. Hey, Nadu. Enya una kechem de papa we ogina ho useless. Or you aimless onyi hwi papa bia wo ni tirimi. Enya una kechem na mpani bi obnu. Sisi asem consider. I am lucky. I am lucky pa de contract na me your papa Seaman wo no. Yen wie. Na nka adzam de bayo sisi an ehu. Ika. Awo Nadu, ya behwe. Ya behwe. Ebu ho adzam de bayo ofia. Boaze no.
Do you really love me?
oh Nadu ka kula be love about like love obo.
In that case, I want you to do something special for me.
Something special.
Yes.
No la meaning. Adiben. Oh, Udia, enjoy.
You see, while I eat this food, I would like you to entertain me by sweeping this compound till I finish eating.
How? Sweeping?
Yes.
Nadu, if I'm loconi, why will loconi that for me as my sweeping? Oh, why can I put them Benjamin? Dear be oh, but there's no plan when I'm starting this year.
It's in the backyard.
Eh?
Yes.
Nadu pa, Epra.
Awale.
Oh, Ify. Oh, sweetie. Look here. They're fine.
Awale.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
for
you
the
please.
food. It was really nice. And thank you for tidying up our home.
Oh, man, Capra. Yeah, dear me, tired. No problem.
But there's one more thing I want you to do for me.
Bibi san obi. Oh, can. Unse bibia mi ya bibia afi makoma mu love na mi love unti na mi ya bibia no. Kitika bia o pa bia me ama.
Awale. I want you to get out of this house.
Uzi.
I said get out of this house.
Wo na mi so mo kam so. Agro be na odi mi di.
Do I
Oh,
look like
ja mi pesa ja agro na o. Na me fam do na ko.
Awale, get out!
Oh, Nadu.
Daddy!
Eju, adi le.
Wana ho, Nadu. Wana ho. Hey, yo. Beginning man to us, I feel a man to us. Son, a smart girl. That's my girl. Give me back. Hey, in the winning, when you back out. Hey, you back out.